Hello friends, I welcome you all to the class of English Compulsory second year. In the previous classes we dealt with the first short story which is included in our syllabus of semester 4th, The Remorseful Sinner, written by Leo Tolstoy. Today we are going to study the second short story included in this unit number 5, entitled Fiction. The title of the story is The Sniper, which is written by Liam O'Flaherty. First of all, let us deal with the perspective of the short story writer, Liam O'Flaherty. Liam O'Flaherty was born in 1896 and he breathed his last in 1984. He was a leading figure of the Irish Renaissance. He was born in Inishmore, Ireland. He was an Irish novelist and short story writer whose writing is a combination of brutal naturalism and psychoanalysis. We find naturalism and psychoanalysis in his writings. A lasting respect for the courage and persistence of the Irish people provides an additional charm to his literary expression. O'Flaherty took various jobs such as lumberjack, hotel porter, miner, factory worker, dishwasher, bank clerk, and deckhand during his struggling phase. He started his career as lumberjack. Later on, he worked as hotel porter, miner, factory worker, dishwasher, bank clerk, and deckhand during his struggling phase of life. After taking part in revolutionary activities in Ireland, he settled in England in 1922 and returned to Dublin, the capital city of Ireland, in the mid 1920s. His popular books are Thy Neighbor's Wife, which was published in 1923, his successful first novel. Thy Neighbor's Wife was his first successful novel, which was published in the year 1923. The Black Soul is another story. It was the story of a tormented former soldier who seeks tranquility on a remote western isle. This story, The Black Soul, was published in the year 1924. His novel, The Informer, is about a confused revolutionary who betrays his friend during Irish troubles. Skerrit is another novel. Sorry, Skerrit is a critically acclaimed story of conflict, which was published in 1932. It is a critically acclaimed story of conflict between a parish priest and a teacher. Famine, it was published in 1937, is a recreation of the effect of the Irish famine of 1840s on the individuals of a small community. His contribution as a short story writer is unique in its own way. The Sniper was his first short story published in small London based socialist weekly, The New Leader, in 1923. His autobiography, Same the Devil, was published in the year 1934. So, after knowing the perspective or background of the author, Liam O'Flaherty, let us proceed ahead with the discussion of something about text. The Sniper is a short story written in the backdrop of Battle of Dublin, a series of street battles between June 28, 1922 and July 5, 1922. Series of street battles took place during this period, and The Sniper is a short story. It is written in the backdrop of the Battle of Dublin, which took place during the period June 28, 1922 to July 5, 1922. This marked the beginning of the Irish Civil War between the Republicans and the Irish Free Staters. So this story focuses on the Civil War, which started in Ireland between the Republicans and the Irish Free Staters. The protagonist in the story is the central character in the story is the Republican sniper, and the antagonist is the free started spinner. So the Republican sniper is the hero, or let us say moral character in the story, whereas the free started sniper is evil character in the story. They try to kill each other without knowing each other's identities. The short story is narrated from the point of view of the Republican sniper. Sniper means a man with gun, or the sniper means a man with rifle. So this story focuses on the Civil War, which took place in Dublin between the Republicans and the Irish Free Staters. The protagonist or central character of the story is the Republican sniper, a Republican gunman, and the evil character or antagonist in the story is the Irish Free Staters. They try to kill each other without knowing each other's identities. The short story is narrated from the point of view of Republican sniper. O'Flaherty shows how war desensitizes people. All the characters are nameless and faceless. The characters created by Liam Flaherty are nameless and faceless. They are all Irish. The Republican sniper kills the man in the armed car because he was the enemy who could have killed him. And after that, the poor old woman, as she was an informer, The Republican sniper is then hit in the forearm by his enemy, the Free Stater sniper on the opposite roof, from whom he was trying to escape unseen. The Republican sniper shoots him, and in an ending that is dramatic and tragically ironical, realizes it is his brother and he has killed. O'Flaherty's short story portrays the dehumanizing effects of war, the anonymous enemies it creates, as well as divisions among people of the same land, depicting themes such as enmity, pain, violence, and frustration. The story illustrates the futility of war and its devastating consequences. So, the present story, The Sniper, focuses on the Civil War, which took place during in the year 1922 in Dublin, and the Civil War took place between the Republicans and the Irish Free Staters. The present story, The Sniper, focuses on the themes such as enmity, pain, violence, and frustration. The story illustrates the futility of war and its devastating consequences. So, friends, today we have come across the background of the author Liam O'Flaherty, who was born in Ireland, who belongs to Irish Renaissance. We came across his struggle for existence, his popular writings, and his autobiography as well. Then we have discussed something about the text, The Sniper, which is a short story dealing with the Civil War, which took place in the year 1922 in Ireland. The Civil War was fought between the Republicans and the Irish Free Staters. And here, the writer has presented very pathetic story of killing a man by his own brother, considering him to be his enemy. So, this is how the present story, The Sniper, presents enmity, pain, violence, and frustration, and the story also illustrates the futility of war and its destroying effects, devastating consequences. And we know that war never brings peace, moreover, it brings destruction, it brings pains and sufferings, it destroys happiness, and it brings uh, pains and sufferings in the life of human beings. So, this is how the present story, The Sniper, focuses on the Civil War and its effects, which took place in the year 1922 in Ireland or Dublin. So, with this, I would like to conclude. In the following class, we shall continue the discussion of the story The Sniper, written by Liam O'Flaherty. Thank you very much.